Alright, this is my client, Edward. Say hi.
Hello, hi YouTube, hi YouTube.
Alright, so this is the suit of the Kuuga Ultimate. So, what do you think of your suit that I make?
Okay, first of all, I think the suit is very well made. It is perfectly fit to my body. As you can see, it's very well fit, almost very good and very amazing. Look at the details, you know. With me and Rushdie, we've been talking about it for a long time. Regarding to the details of the suit, and it turned out fantastic, man. Fantastic.
Yes.
Thank you.
It's like 3 months of job from making the helmet until the belt, the armor and stuff. Alhamdulillah, Edward feel satisfied for it. So yes. Yeah? Okay
Yes,
Lepas ni cosplay, nak cosplay ke mana?
Perhaps maybe Singapore Comic Con.
Singapore Comic Con.
We'll see where it goes.
Yes, if you see this Kuuga, take a selfie and tag him on TikTok. Very famous FYP masuk Alright, bye-bye. See you guys again.
See you guys, bye-bye.
Alright guys, that is the video. Thank you so much to people who are watching right now. Thank you to all the people who are support from TikTok, Facebook, and now at YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for Edward, because commission it to me, and because of him I get an opportunity for making this suit and making it really damn accurate, and it's really, for me, it's my best suit and my best making of prop making in the making of the suit, you know what I'm saying? So it is the best for me, and Edward is satisfied. And if you guys want it to, please, you can direct message or chat with me, or you can go to Facebook Kuramaker, or you can go to TikTok or Instagram and stuff for more details and stuff. So please, thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much in bottom of my heart that you guys comment and like and stuff. Maybe we will have next content for next suit in the future, inshallah. So please, the subscribe button is free, so please subscribe to this YouTube channel Kuramaker for more content. And yes, we will update you guys on the future prop making stuff, DIY of course. I will teach you on what I know. See you guys again. Peace. Assalamualaikum.